Hey everyone, if your AppFlowy database isn't working properly, tables won't load, entries aren't saving, filters aren't responding, or database views are failing to open, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common AppFlowy database problems in 2026. First, refresh the database page or restart AppFlowy completely. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent database features from loading correctly. Next, check your internet connection if you're using AppFlowy's cloud synchronization features. Poor connectivity can affect database updates and data synchronization. Another common fix is verifying that you're using the latest version of AppFlowy. Database-related bugs are often resolved through software updates. If a specific database isn't loading, try opening another database or workspace. This can help determine whether the issue is limited to one database or affects the entire application. You should also check whether your database contains a very large number of records. Large databases may require additional loading time, especially on lower-powered devices. Another helpful step is reviewing recent changes. If the problem started after modifying fields, views, filters, or database settings, try reverting those changes and testing again. And that's how to fix AppFlowy database not working problems in 2026. In most cases, updating the application, checking synchronization, reviewing recent changes, and clearing temporary data will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.